Atuska Busia Soroboti Ronde, Homopsomonene ase Kyumbege Independent Kenya Women Award Ikoa Bernard Simanto Tukoria rero achakia umuroberio bokogendia enyange kurase county ya Nairobi wikase county ya Nakuru esabarie ya moira chinsa gwetani sano na isato aseganga yugo sangire bitamba byo bochenu iro birache kubakonya abana abanyaruka kurase county ya Turkana korengana na Bernard hamo nabasubati kurase chinsemo au abona bamenyete na makongu nigo bona baenekire n'echingaki useni go baenekire ngane chingaki chiroro choko abana baruka nabo gabasubati abamenyeta asinchite taringia kurase county ya Turkana konyara bare obokonyi na wikwange muri kito Daniel Omwaga no arenga somo igoyo robot ro yasenchera yubikira
etarikia yemo yomutinyo gatano gatatu mbarambare na magachama na KICC chinsa 12 chamambia my god Omosiyo bwekembekerie kya Ikwa Bernard Simanto oyunaendo manyekene mo namuna babu Mutekova nigacha kabene sabali yago change nyange kuri mu Nairobi go ikawo muchiyo Nakuru unenchira yemo oyogo changia chitauro chobo chenu eriyo asekeringa omwana omunyaruka obere ko bakagotuwa magaga naende nigamanye toso gimobo kongu pira gotumeka chitauro chobo chenu kokwana yema sayemo negetaseni gen Soko TV Simanto nigene kyogo chana kwaye asekeria omwana omusubati agotigwa asara kongu kira butambe
asiri tukuria rero namwe okore challenge ya go cycle kuru Nairobi mpaka Nakuru County 167 km. The main purpose of go cycle no go fundraiser just sanitary pads chocho konya abaiseke abaiskaba ke nabangina ase county ya Turkana mostly bagwetera challenges nyingi abande bamba kwende skuru gwetero okoba ngambali konya no ne sanitary chiri most of the time onyoranga mbali konya no ne access yoko binyora na kitwa mweranga okoba to request ya sama tukamange tigatokale kitwende gwetera Ikwa Women to Connect mashinani twende koba konya alio somo chyo Oturkana.
Dr. Ben Ngigi oyino nyanigo okodigie kirugo kyobagabana emeye county ya Nairobi nere nigekana asensemeyo asekelanga nogo siro muroberio yo nanigo aene kyobu yabo mono musubati go sirwa kera chingaki.
Good morning Nairobi and Kenya in general. My name is Dr. Ben Ngigi, the incoming governor Nairobi County. We are here to support the 157 kilometer initiative by Babu Mutekova, the incoming MCA of Nairobi South. And this is a great initiative to our young girls, especially those who are vulnerable and they cannot afford sanitary towels. So we are here to stand with our girls. We are saying that even as we take the leadership of the county of Nairobi, we are going to initiate these programs so that those who are suffering, those who are unable to have the correct hygiene situations, the correct environment for study, they can be supported.
Jacinta Njonki oyoero mogendie giata byechinyange nsengima oyinerekana kumusira Simanto nigaene kyobujabwa yenga iganga yenene enokaro mwana omunyaruka kamanya tobugima bwomogoko.
My name is Jacinta Njoki. I work in Eagle Crown Coffee as a sales manager. Nimekuja kuparticipate in a solo challenge whereby I'll be participating to cycle all the way from Nairobi to Nakuru. And for me to participate in this challenge, since I'm a professional cyclist, it's also to empower a girl child asikose kuenda shule and also to make sure I see a smile on the girl child.
Umurali giata bwigeteseni igien Soko TV Diana Ndemo ujonero ikirana ase ogosiro muroberio yo nigahoro kyogo ichana kwaye asekeringa abanyaroka bangeti bari konyora bakonyi wechitauro cyobo chenu
abesikena banga simnyurwito konyoranga tibabwati bokonyi na bakonyoranga muibo litari kwenyara kwegora bakonyoranga muibo noyega kwenyara kugora ibitamba byo bochenu tama itibuna bigo tumeka higontu na Independent Kenya Women Awards nigo togo chanande twara konya asoko babwatukire bitamba nande twabakonya soko basemya nakobobo ngaindo nabakonyara bakobutumya
ne sabari yeju kilomita hemya yemo 55 eyo eramwire Babu Mtekova gose Bernard Simanto egeka kyogwetani ichinsa 53 gochange nyange korugaiga imemu chio Nairobi eyemo aseyemo goikaso mu chio manene onakuru buna enchire yemo oyokonyolia chitauro chobo chenu chokomusira omwana musubati asomo yoga homonene orakorekane asensemo yaturukana chitariki 15 chomutinye yoiga bono eganga ya yenene nokoranga na kwenekia umwana musubati na manyete asogi mabobwato bocheni boigoro na boigo botero bonene anene kerao ikirania masomaye inkorepoteri geteseni Igian Soko TV korwagaiga ambarambare na magachamane ake ICC ubatagati mu Nairobi iretariane Daniel Omwaga